Hello everyone, I am James and you are watching Good Times Tech YouTube channel. Today let us unbox an Yamaha PSR E263 digital keyboard. As you can see, the box and the adapter doesn't come with the inside the box. They give the adapter separately outside. When you buy a keyboard, they take the price and give you the adapter separately. The adapter doesn't come inside the box. Okay. Let me show you what all is written on the box. As you can see, on top we can see the logo and the picture of the keyboard. Here is written PSR E263 Digital Keyboard and in multiple language, and it says designed by Yamaha Japan. And this side is the same thing, some information and the shipping details, etc. Here you can see Yamaha Corporation, Japan. Bottom you can see here that it has an ultra wide stereo function, auxiliary input, portable grand button, that is grand piano button, and some lessons, as it has a digital display, but the display doesn't have backlight. Here it is written the same thing which is written on the front, and this side here also we can see that it can be operated using batteries as well. That is 6 AA size batteries we need to install. We'll see that inside when we open the box. And this is the adapter. The adapter model is a PA3C. Specifications is AC input 230 volts and output DC is 12 volts 100 milliamps. And the polarity of the connecting plug is given. Weight of the adapter is 480 grams. In 4 different languages it has been mentioned. Here the instruction is given. Connect the DC plug to the DC in jack on the instrument. Connect the other and normal AC plug into an AC outlet. Cautions, attention, everything has been mentioned. Advice: whenever you buy an electronic device, best thing is to read the user manual for better operations. Okay, and let's see what is written on the back side. On the back side here you can see it is written ultra wide stereo in multiple languages. Port band, these are the function keys, it has been given here, has been mentioned here. PSR E263, master equalizer, master EQ. Okay, batteries, back side of the piano, it's been given auxiliary input. You can connect your mobile phone or your laptop, anything, but the thing is it will not be having any settings, that is equalizer settings doesn't work for the auxiliary input. It is raw input, you can say. And as you can see here, it is given auxiliary in change, voice and style. It has 400 high quality instrument voices and 130 musical styles. Preset songs, it has 112 built-in songs for easy learning with Yamaha Education Suite YES system. Music rest included. 61 regular sized keys. Auto power off function. Auto power off function saves electricity when not in use. Okay, that's all about the information given on the box. So we will just unbox it. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Here we can see this is the stand. And these are the instruction manual. I advise you to go once, make time and go through the owner's manual, instruction manual, because there will be some functions which everyone will not be knowing. There might be some functions, newly introduced functions, so you can go through it. It is in English, French, Espanol and Portuguese. So I advise you not to throw it away like a few of the unboxers say. Just go through it, read it once whenever you get a time, or make time to read it. Now we will remove the main instrument. There we go. Okay. This is the new Yamaha PSR E263. I bought this piano as it is neither too basic nor too high end. It's 61 keys. And I wanted a 61 keys for learning notes, not as grand piano notes, but musical notes. Here you can see these are 61 keys, sorry. The only thing which I didn't like in this keyboard is the sound of these buttons. As you can hear, these might go annoying whenever you are playing and you want to change some function. See, all these keys, buttons make noise, clicking noise. So whenever you are singing on a mic, using a mic along with playing, if you are singing, then you try to change function, these buttons will create a noise and it is annoying, and it might be, these noise might get recorded. And stereo speakers, but these are the bass reflex ports. They are not tweeters. There are no tweeters in this. That we will confirm once I disassemble this later. I will upload one more video on what is inside the Yamaha PSR E263. Now we will see what is on the back side. On the bottom you can see these are the screw holes for fixing it to the stand grooves. Here these are the stand grooves, two screws, one is here and another one is this side for fixing the stand. This is the battery compartment. As you can see, you can fix 6. It requires 6 AA size, that is penlight shell batteries. I don't know about the battery backup, how much time we can play with this, but later we'll check that one. There's one more screw mounting here for stand. Okay, hope that's all. Why these two screws are need to be checked. Okay. First, there is no backlight for the display. I just switch it on and show it to you. This is the adapter. the adapter pin here, DC in socket, and the other end of the adapter should be connected to the wall input. Okay, you can see I have powered it on, but there is no backlight for the display. Here I would like to show you that there is a portable grand piano button. So automatically the sound will change to a grand piano output. Now I have started a rhythm, and I will try to switch to the ultra wide stereo. Volume is a manual one, it is not a digital. I have started the ultra wide, I will turn it off. See, ultra wide sound through the speakers, it's quite audible. You can make the difference. See. Okay. Now, as you can see, this is the song list, voice list, style list. You can change it according to the your likings. This is for the songs, voice and style. Here we go for function, sound effects. These are the digital numbers for selecting the songs, voice or the style. This print is for the connection on the back side, and for mounting the stand, just take the stand out from the plastic and fix it in two of the grooves. Okay, there is no locking or any such thing, just insert it, that's all. Here you can go, these are for the songs, these are for the style accompaniment, super, let's play, stop.